Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Lush Christmas haul, you guys. I'm so excited. I was lucky enough to go to Lush's Christmas event this year. I have been in past years. Actually, before we go any further, I do want to say this is not sponsored. I wasn't asked to make this. I just love Lush. And the ethos, if you guys weren't aware, Lush is a cruelty-free, sustainable, quite a lot of their stuff is vegan brand that makes like bath, beauty, hair care, skincare products, and I honestly really believe in their company. Like, they donate money to stuff like the Maui dolphins, LGBTQ plus rights. Sorry, I don't know if I got that abbreviation wrong, but you know what I mean. They're also heavily involved in the campaigning for banning animal testing, which is amazing, and yeah, I just genuinely am such a huge fan of everything that they stand for, and I am a humongous fan of their products. While I'm talking, I'm going to chuck in a couple of clips from the event that I went to last night. I was going to wait till the weekend to film this, but I want to crack into my box, my goodie box. So we went to the event and they talked about all of their new initiatives, which was working with the Maui dolphins and trans youth and like raising money for Rainbow House, which is freaking amazing. Like, I actually love their ethos as a brand. And she told us about all the new products and like the plastic-free glitter and all of their new things. And then she was like, oh yeah, and like, just when you're ready, grab a workout, what are they called? When you're ready, grab a Lushie and she can help you build your own goodie bag. And I was like, so you can pick whatever you want, like choose the things that you want this time so that you get a goodie bag that's customized to you. And I was like, I get to pick my own goodie bag. And anyway, so people were picking up bags and boxes and stuff. And I saw this really cute box and it was shaped like a moon. And then, didn't end up getting that one, because somebody else was like, oh, look at this one, and it's like, this is the box. Excuse me, what? And from here, the next 30 minutes or so was a complete blur. I basically was flitting from station to station. Like, the Lushies were like putting stuff on us and like holding stuff in our faces and showing us bath bombs, and it was just like my dream Lush experience. I do just want to say that the bow looks like crap because I tied it. They didn't tie it, otherwise it would have actually looked pretty. But let me just go through all of the things that I picked because I'm so excited and I want to use these like now when I go in the shower. Now, the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is something that I just want to talk to you guys about. I can't show you what's in it because it's a gift and it's been wrapped and everything, but they do knot wrapping during Christmas. So they're knot wraps. They're either made from like 100% organic, like just awesomely, what is it called? Really nicely sourced and processed and everything, like really fair traded cotton, or they have ones that are made from recycled plastic bottles. This one is a cotton wrap, but it's a snow fairy wrap, and this is a gift for somebody, but it's so cute. I believe that you can get this, I don't know if it's for free, but I think if you buy the knot wrap, the wrapping is free. I will correct myself somewhere if I'm wrong, but it's a really good gift idea because it can actually be reused. So this is everything that I got. I hope you guys can kind of see. I am so spoiled, you guys. So spoiled. Let's start with the Christmas must-have for a majority of Lush lovers, and that is Snow Fairy. Now, Snow Fairy is I'm pretty sure like as long as Lush has been doing Christmas, Snow Fairy has been a thing. It is a shower gel, and they also have like a bunch of other products in the same range. I don't know, I do have one other product from the Snow Fairy line in this box. But yeah, ooh, this is the most delicious, sugary, oh my gosh, bubblegum candy smelling body wash, and I really love Lush's body washes because they actually clean you like really well. They're like very foamy, but not too foamy, if that makes sense. Like, they clean you but they don't leave you feeling dry. This is Sleepy. Now, Sleepy is new, I think the scent was around last year, but it wasn't a shower gel. I believe this is replacing Twilight, which was like a purple, like see-through kind of shower gel, but this smells almost the same. So it just says sleep, drift to sleep, sweet tonka counts the sheep, lavender shakes the dreamland tree, and from it falls sweet dreams for thee. That was a really hard to read poem at like 4 o'clock in the afternoon after being at work, but it just smells like lavender and tonka, and it just smells really calming. I don't really love these kind of scents for every day, but if I have a nighttime shower, I love using something like this. My partner also really likes lavender for night showers. So this is the medium size. The other one, let me show you, this is a larger size, and then I think there's also a 1 kilo size for some of them. I think there's a 1 kilo for Snow Fairy, and there's also a miniature one, which I didn't actually get one of this time because I had more than enough already. And the last shower gel that I got is Cinders, and I was so excited for this one. It just says, a little magic goes a long way, and with deeply conditioning pumpkin seed oil and cooling aloe vera, you'll leave the shower feeling transformed. And this one reminds me, I just can't tell you what it reminds me of. It is so yum. It's like candy cherry maybe. It might be candy cherry that it smells like, but it also smells really spicy because there's like nutmeg, paprika, cinnamon, like ginger, nutmeg, allspice, clove. But it also just kind of smells like cherry. I don't know. It's honestly, I don't want to say my favorite smell because I think Snow Fairy Roll the Comfort is my favorite smell, but I don't have it anymore. I don't know. But man, this smells so good. You guys need to go and smell this. Once again, that one is Cinders, and I got it in the big, but not like ridiculously big size. Before I go any further, I do just want to say I didn't get any bath bombs apart from one that they made like live there. They actually like made the product, which was really cool to see, because I don't have a bath. I love their bath bombs. I actually have some that I take to my mum's and I bathe there every now and then just to use up my bath bombs. So don't think that I don't like their bath bombs. I just wasn't going to take stuff that I couldn't use. Next, I got one of each of their in-shower conditioners because I actually love these. The first one is the other Snow Fairy product that I got, and this is the Snow Fairy body conditioner. So basically it's just a pink kind of like buttery consistency product. Oh, it smells so good. It smells just like Snow Fairy, and basically you just use this in the shower after you've washed your body. You just massage it into your skin, and because it's like got some really nice butters in it, it basically just moisturizes your skin and keeps it soft and supple all day, and you smell really good. You do put it on and then wash it off, by the way, just to clarify. So this is the 100 gram size, and they also come in the bigger size, which I believe is 225 grams. This one is Chris Tingle, which is the same product, but it smells like peppermint. So think like candy canes. That's what Chris Tingle smells like. Ugh, same exact product. That sounded, no, just got it everywhere. That sounded like an unimpressed sigh, but it's like, I want to eat it. I love minty smelling things. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. I've literally got it all over my hands. Oh, it smells so good. The reason why I got so many of these is because I think I'm going to commit to tanning / spray tanning this summer, and I'm going to need a lot of moisturizer. So I thought I would grab a couple of these while I was there so that I could share them with you guys and so that I would be moisturized, because I'm really bad at moisturizing, but I'm really good at using these. I have one Snow Fairy from last year. That's half of the reason why I love Lush Christmas, because their products, once you get them, so like for example, this was made in August and it's good until next year in October. So you get a lot of time out of these, and sometimes you get even longer than they say you do. So I feel like it's just a really good price and really good product, and it lasts for ages. And now this one's new to my knowledge. This is called Bucks Fizz, and this just says supremely softening almond oil and muru muru butter will soften skin, adding a little zest to your day. Basically this smells citrusy, kind of smells like Celebrate, I think it was called, or like sparkly shower gel. I don't know. It's something from my childhood, but I can't tell you what it is. I don't know, but it's basically just orange. It doesn't stain your skin orange, but in case you were curious, it was an orange paste, and it just smells like really zesty and nice. And again, same thing, put it on in the shower, wash it off, and you'll be nice and moisturized. The next thing is a body lotion, and I got the smaller size of this because I'm not very good at actually using up body lotion. So I thought I'd get a smaller size and see how I go, and I'll go back and buy it again. But this is called Once Upon a Time, and it smells like apples. I think it's supposed to be like Snow White. Yeah, Happy Lime and Sicilian Lemon will have you smiling and whistling while you work. That's so strange that they put that on there because it's like an apple product. So I don't know why it says lemon, but it's basically cute little mint green color, and it's just a really thin body lotion. I actually used this to give my partner a hand massage last night, and he really liked it because I put nail polish on his pinky finger, and then he was like devastated when I took it off and his nail was really dry, so I gave him a hand massage and he enjoyed this. It smells really good, and it's really nice and like thin and moisturizing. A favorite of mine every single year are the special Christmas lip scrubs, because you can actually eat these. Like, I'm not being dramatic, like you can actually eat them. I got Sugar Plum Fairy. There is also a cranberry one, but that one like had like a weird twang to it and I wasn't into it, but this one tastes like the comforter. If you guys have ever, you know, had the comforter before, it's like blackcurrant. Oh my gosh, delish. I don't normally just, oh my god, I don't normally just eat it, but I'm not about to scrub my lips because just put on lip balm. But yeah, I love these. These actually last for ages, considering the fact that you can eat them. They last a year, and again, all natural, great ingredients, cruelty free. Say no more. Now this is a product that they made live. This is the Yog Nog Yule Log. I believe it's a bubble bar. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like baked goods. Oh, sweet. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I didn't actually get a good smell of this at the event. I'm genuinely tempted to lick this. It basically smells like gingerbread. Oh, so nice. But basically it's a bubble bar. You can break it up into as many pieces as you want. You could do like in half, or you could do it in quarters, and it's just going to make your bar. Oh my god. I honestly can't believe how good this smells. They need to make this into a shower gel for next year. But it's nice and moisturizing because the bubble bars are always moisturizing. This has got like, I can feel that it's got shea butter in it. The bit around the outside that was glittery is like shea butter, and then the bits on the inside foam up a little bit, and I'm so excited. She offered me like another one of these and I said no, but I sort of should have said yes, because this is definitely one of those products that I'm going to go home and have a bath in because it smells so good. I highly recommend this one. And the last product that I have to show you guys is one that I actually grabbed 2 of because there was a lot there and I nearly died when they tried this on me. This is a Rudolph jelly face mask. So they had a giant version of this, which was like the giant jelly mask, and she was like putting it like, I'll put it on your hand, and I was kind of like, it looks like poop, like it looks like just plain old mud mask. And then I smelt it. Sweet mother, this smells so good. If you guys like chocolate orange, she told me that I can eat this, but that it will taste really bad because it has like kale and clay in it. So she didn't recommend eating it, but she said that I could eat it. So let me know if you want me to try this on live on camera. Just kidding. But yeah, I'm so excited for this. I got 2, like I said, because there was like actually 50 of them there, and I was like, alright you guys, so that is my Lush Christmas haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Once again, I do just want to say thank you so much to Lush for having me at that event. I had the time of my life. I got to hang out with friends and just smell delicious smells, and I got the most amazing goodie bag. I'm so appreciative. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are into Lush Christmas products, I would love to know what your favorite is, or if your favorite has been discontinued like mine has. My favorite was always Ponche, which I think I only ever had once, but it was kind of like this boozy smelling body wash and I really loved it. Let me know what your favorite is or was, because I would love to know. I feel like I'm way too hyped in this video, but I use these products every day and I just wanted to share them with you guys, and they will be on counter now. They have been on counter for like a couple of weeks now, I believe. But if you want to go and check them out, you can find them online, or it doesn't say online or at the Lush website. That is the same thing. Or you can go to your nearest Lush store. I really like the Lush Queen Street because that's the closest one to me, and I know the girls there and stuff are always so lovely, but any Lush store will have these products unless they've sold out, which actually sometimes they do sell out, so you might want to go sooner rather than later. Or if you're feeling risky, wait until Boxing Day because they have 50% off of Christmas. You guys can imagine when I spend the most money at Lush. I go in on Boxing Day, or I shop online on Boxing Day, and I'll just buy like double ups and stuff. I'm still going to be checking this year because I think there are a couple of things that I'm going to want to buy double ups of. Enough gushing, I'm going to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you clicking on this video. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys really soon with another video. Bye!